Hey there, it's Amanda Beeson. Just going to show you really quickly how I use the Osmo as a document camera for telehealth. So what I've got here is I have, the way this would work if you had this going with a student is your student would participate from their computer like normal. You would participate from your computer like normal. Then you would invite your iPad as a third participant. So use a separate email on there. You'd want the Zoom app on the iPad or the Google Meet app or whatnot. Now, I will say that so far I've tried this with Google Meet a few times, and my only complaint is that there's a lot of lag. So if you're trying to demonstrate a movement, that might not be super helpful with the amount of lag time between what you do on the camera and what they see on the screen. So, but we're going to try it with the Zoom app and see if it's a little bit better. So here's the Osmo. This is what you get. So you get the stand, the little white stand that it's on. You get this whiteboard. You get this bag with all these little markers in it. And then you get this, which is basically just a mirror that clips onto your, over your camera on your tablet. So once you have all that set up, then, and to use it as a document camera, I don't think you specifically need to use this. I think you could put any piece of paper or whatever you wanted down. I do think that you need this specific whiteboard maybe to use some of the Osmo apps, which are fun, but not what we're talking about right now. We're just talking about a document camera. So once you've got everything set up, you're going to do whatever, you know, depending on what you're using, it's going to say something different. Share screen, share, you know, whatever. I'm going to share content. And I'm going to share my screen. And okay, so it says start broadcast. Okay, so it says that I need to do that. Oops, sorry, I did it in the wrong thing. I was doing it in Google Meets and I need to do it in Zoom. So let's try that one more time. Start. Hopefully this works. So, oh, okay. So here we go. So if my student was participating, then now they would see this up on their screen. And the way it works is you're basically just sharing your iPad screen, and then when you use this Osmo projector app, it's basically just a camera app. So like if I took that off, it would show me, hey, but when I put this little mirror on, now all of a sudden I have a document camera. So everything I do over here works over there. So now you can draw. There's a little bit of lag with Zoom, but goodness gracious, not nearly as much as Google Meet. But if your district is like mine, we're not allowed to use Zoom. So boo-hoo for us. But that's basically it. So the things to remember are, the Osmo Projector app is free. Some of the apps require you know, there's different things with Osmo where you can buy tanagrams and all this extra stuff. But all you'd really need to use this document camera feature is the basic kit with the mirror and the stand and all that stuff. And then the Osmo app is free. And it, you know, you invite the tablet as a third participant, so now you've got your camera, but then you're also up there, you know, where the kiddos can see you. That's basically it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.